any wrongdoing which has happened in the banks, any loans which have been taken and not repaid till now, I am sure our systems will work in such a way that wrongdoers and the monies which had been taken away will all be brought back. That is what is happening in the entire country. You would have seen in newspapers, banks' non-performing assets, the NPAs of banks, had been a cause for worry as soon as in 2014 when Prime Minister Modi came to power. In order to bring the NPAs down, there were specific formulations, which we call as the 4 R's. Recognize the NPA, address them, resolve them, recapitalize the bank, and make sure there are reforms in banking sector. As a result of which the NPAs have come down today. Not only are they coming down so that the banks don't need to do any more provisioning for those bad accounts, but those who took the loans, let it to become an NPA and didn't pay back the taxpayers' money, which is what is in the banks. We as a government have actively pursued them, whether they are in this country or whether they have gone away from India, and ensured that their properties are attached, ensured that the properties are through a legal process sold or auctioned out, and those monies have been paid back to the banks. That shall continue to happen. And irrespective of where the NPA holders are, and irrespective of where their accounts were, every NPA shall be pursued actively so that the money which has been taken away from the banks' monies are taxpayers' money. And that shall apply to J&K as well. We shall get back every money which has been taken from the bank and not serviced. It will come back to the banks. I want to assure the people of Jammu that this state will now be a lot more transparently governed. Banking will be available for each one of us. And taxpayers as well will be honored.